Welcome to AccuSource's Applicant Portal tutorial. AccuSource's Applicant Portal is accessible for 90 days from the date your background check is completed, which affords you access to submit any questions related to your background check. It also provides transparency to the progress of where AccuSource is in completing your background check. Let's get started. Upon completion of your Quick App questionnaire, you'll receive an email that provides you with your reference number, which will be used to log in. Once you've clicked the Log On button, it will launch a web browser to sign you into AccuSource's Applicant Portal. You will start by putting in the reference number that was indicated in the email in this field here. Next, you will be asked to provide a minimum of 3 answers for Personal Identifying Information, PII, to verify your identity. In this example, we will use the last 4 of a Social Security number, a date of birth, and the current zip code that was entered in on the online application. Once those fields are entered, check the box to confirm that you are not a robot and select all the images being requested, and then click Verify. Then click Sign In. You'll be welcomed to the home screen, which will display your full name, the reference file number, and the date the report was created on. The next section is the screening information, which will show you if you have any unread messages from the AccuSource team, if there's additional documentation that is required for AccuSource to successfully complete your background screen, and the status of your report, either being pending or completed. Should your report be in Report Status is Pending, it will show you all pending services that AccuSource is still working to complete here. All other services in the background check that have been completed for this file will show up in the Completed section here. Should you desire to send a message to the AccuSource team regarding your file, we'll click on the Messages tab at the top of the page. In this screen is where we can send a message to AccuSource. In this example, I have asked how long it will take until my background check is completed. Once AccuSource has responded to the message, you'll receive an email or text informing you that you have a response from AccuSource with the link to log back into the system using your reference number and the 3 forms of Personal Identifying Information, PII, to view our response. And at that time, you will also be able to send additional messages if desired. This concludes the Applicant Portal tutorial. We hope that you gained valuable information in this video. Should you require additional support, please contact our customer success team at 888-649-6272 or by email at cs@accusource-online.com.